Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so commands behave predictably. First, run Python version or PyV to see the interpreter and ensure path exposes it. This avoids version confusion. Once done, test pip version to confirm package installs. Then open command prompt and cd into your project directory so you run files from the right context. This initial verification prevents environment errors later and gets you ready to run scripts and manage packages immediately. You now execute and manage the environment, run Python script, Py to execute code or use Py-3 script, Py on Windows to pick Python 3. Create isolation with Python mvenv and then activate the environment so dependencies don't conflict across projects. Use pip install R requirements, txd to reproducibly install packages, and pip freeze when you want a snapshot. If you need to debug, add print statements or run with Python mpdb to step through and inspect variables. You wrap up by running your final commands and securing reproducibility. Use Python m module to run packages as scripts or Python m HTTP. Server to quickly serve files, then freeze dependencies with pip freeze requirements. txd and commit that file. Make sure your virtual environment is active when you run or install. If things go wrong, check path entries, confirm the active venv, and compare Python version with pip version for mismatches. These steps resolve most command prompt Python issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.